Hey everybody, it's Saturday afternoon, December 4th, and I'm about to add a little Christmas cheer to the feeder for the year, so stand by and watch. Now it's pretty simple. You get rid of the festive Thanksgiving wreath and you add a festive holiday wreath. There it is. Picked that up at TSC. It's all live branches on there, and I'm going to add some of these, some sunflower flavored suet nuggets to the mix here, along with more peanuts. So the different varieties. Those peanuts don't last long, neither do the suet nuggets. So anyways, that's what I'm getting ready to do. All right. Glad I got the 20-pound bag of peanuts. I usually put out about a handful every day or every other day, but they don't last long, so you could go put peanuts in here real quick. Really quick. And then these suet nuggets, it seems like the woodpeckers really like those. I've seen a lot of different birds eating them, but I usually put like a handful or two in each. They kind of stink, honestly. There we go. Enjoy, birdies.